So today we will install Windows ME and we want to upgrade till maybe Windows 7. I want to see how far I can upgrade this copy of Windows ME. The processor might not be compatible with Windows 8 and Windows 10, but we'll see. So I have a copy of Windows ME right here. Let's put it in. Alright, now boot from CD-ROM. Yep. Yes, enable large disk support. And now it will restart, and after that it will format the drive, which will probably take ages. So we'll be back when it's done formatting C drive. Alright, it's done formatting, so now let's do the Microsoft ScanDisk, of course. Yep. Copying files needed for Windows. Alright, Windows Millennium Edition setup. Next. No, I wanna choose what I want to install. Come on, bro. Alright, we want accessories, desktop themes, and of course games. Computer name, I don't know. Yeah. Because now we'll copy files. We'll be back when it's done copying files. Alright. Let's eject the disk and restart. Yeah, there we go. Windows ME. Alright. Plug and play devices. Yeah. Alright, so company. Alright. Of course I accept. Yeah. Now we need the product key. Alright, perfect. Yeah. Now finish and restart. Alright, control panel. Windows is now setting up control panel. Yeah. Programs and startup menu. Alright. Alright. Of course, going to be Henry. I don't need a password, man. Updating system settings. Now should finish up and boot to the desktop. There you go. Perfect. Now we have Windows ME installed. So let's now actually make some customization to Windows ME. And we will see if Windows XP actually keeps all the changes we made in Windows ME. Alright, let's install Total Commander. I had it on another CD, so I just have some files to show. Let's actually install that. Yep. Why is it taking that long at 99%? Come on. Thank you. So we do have Total Commander. Let's make a new text document. Save. Let's make a new folder. Let's actually do like the Windows Media Player. I think XP will like overwrite them, so let's connect to the internet. Like all of that stuff, I think Windows XP will just yeah, making shortcut, why not? Windows XP will just delete it all, I guess. My briefcase, I think my briefcase will actually stay. Let's maybe get some games on the start menu, because why not? Like like Minesweeper, Pinball, of course. Let's make some changes right here. Let's make like another wallpaper. Yeah, this one. Why not? Appearance. Yeah, that surely looks so good. Oh my gosh. Actually, we can. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Is there something under there? No. Let's make it like that. Yeah, that looks so good. Let's make a bitmap, image, and wave sound. And what else? And WordPad document. Yeah, perfect. So unfortunately, my microphone was not recording the audio in this next clip.
Alright,
but I basically
guys, for
started
some reason,
to install Windows
XP is
XP
blue
now.
screens. Might be some problem with the USB stick not being bootable. Oh, okay, checking file system and see. Can I just skip that? No, then it's blue screen. So this application has failed to start because WinSRV is not found. Reinstalling the application may fix this problem. Okay, maybe it is. Maybe it's just pretending like that is the error code. Maybe I have to do this skin disk thing. Yeah. I mean, let's do it. Might be some problem with the Windows XP USB stick not being bootable. Like, can't make an FAT32 Windows XP bootable USB. That's a problem. I mean, I can try to boot from the USB instantly. I might do that. Wait. Okay, I think I can do that as another option. So if this doesn't work, that might be the other option. So I've tried 2 more ISOs and it didn't work. Windows still blue screens, the same phase of the setup. I don't know. Might be a problem with like ME 32 XP. So now I will try something else. Cancel Windows XP setup. Uninstalling Windows. Oh my gosh. Still the Windows XP startup screen. Without the XP. Uninstalling, yeah, please. So Windows ME is back. We hope without any problems. I mean, there's always a problem with Windows ME. Yeah, my icons are not here. Oh, there you go. That's what we want. Oh. I mean, can I? Petition 532. Just install Windows XP on a petition that contains another operating system. Installing Windows XP on this might cost the other. But that's not how we want it. Supposed to set up. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna look for an upgrade.
Alright, so yesterday I tried like multiple versions of Windows XP. Now I installed an upgrade copy on this USB. I was so dumb. Yeah. So I'm trying this now. Drive. USB stick is already on the top. Perfect. F8. Wait, what? Windows cannot find a previous version of Windows installed on your computer. Wait, what? Yeah, Windows ME is right here. Why is it doing that? Maybe in Windows ME? Maybe that is showing something different? But I feel like if we do that, it might come up with the same error. I don't know. Maybe... Oh wait, I can't. Because it is formatted in NTFS. Well, that is awkward. I have another plan. Yeah, I do have more USB sticks. Maybe let's do the same thing I did with Windows, the first Windows XP install. Just putting the files on the USB, formatting it as FAT32. Setup.exe. So I haven't corrupted setup on this USB stick. Interesting. So you guys can see. So we're formatting that now. Yeah, don't look at that. Just format it now. XP. Yeah, that is the ISO. Yeah. Okay. I mean, I'm like sure that won't work. Yeah. Alright, it is done. Wait, what just happened? I don't know. Will we have to do something else? No, I don't think so. Yeah. Alright. So unfortunately, my microphone didn't record the audio in this clip once again. So I just tried to install Windows XP again, and we'll be back if something happens, or if we get past the last hour. That is another blue screen. Let me actually look up the error code, yeah? Alright, hard disk connection issues. The system process died. Some driver problems. Corrupted system files. And RAM problems. Since it's not doing anything. Okay, maybe it was. Maybe it was the USB stick just disconnecting for like a second. Because I moved the laptop. Yeah, it is not really. Oh no, bro. Alright, it's not turning off. Unplug the USB, unplug the power. Flip it. I will take off the battery now. The USB stick is working, I think. Yeah, it is home edition, by the way, now. It is home edition now. Yeah. Alright, so it's still starting up. That is good. So it's doing that now. Alright, yeah, installing Windows. So we'll be back if it's done, or if it's something happens, like some problems, I don't know. Alright, so I just restarted. I have hopes that we're done now. We're in the Fox experience now. I actually don't know. Hello? Oh no. Why is it hanging on Windows XP? Oh, we have a mouse. You have a mouse. Please. Yes. 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 I mean, yeah. Actually, like 24 hours, but. Wow. Oh my god. Ready to activate. Brother, that. Alright. Yeah. Finish. Yeah, my BIOS battery or my CMOS battery is dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So it kept like everything. All the files are still here. Yeah. The background is still there. The taskbar, the taskbar is still like so large. Of course, the lunar theme is applied, so our custom theme is not there anymore. What if I wait? Was classic or my current? What is my current theme? Well, my current theme is of course the Windows. Didn't? No, it didn't. Oh. In the new folder. All right. Thank you. do have pinball here. Alright, so on this USB stick we have Windows Vista. I actually don't know. Oh, we might have some problems. I don't know if that is a multi version of Windows Vista. It might be just Ultimate. To Windows Vista Business, or I don't know, Ultimate, yeah, that's what it was called. All right. Oh no, it's a multi version. Oh. Oh. Must be installed. The partition must be formatted as NTFS. I think that is how you do it. Converting file system. Conversion completed. File system NTFS. Alright, we'll be back in a moment. So I checked for some upgrade copies, and I only found 2. One of them is not bootable. The other one is Windows Vista Service Pack 2 Upgrade Ultimate. Yeah. Since we can upgrade to Ultimate, yeah, we'll try the other one, which was Home Premium. I think you can upgrade from Windows XP Home to Windows Vista Home Premium, but I'm not sure. So this one is, by the way, not bootable. Yeah. Install now. Alright, no. Alright, oh, actually we do have Home Basic, Home Premium. Yeah, I have selected the edition of Windows that I purchased. Of course. Upgrade. Oh my gosh. Alright. Yeah. Your upgrade may take several hours to complete. Yeah, we'll be back when everything is done. Yeah, Windows cannot install required files. The upgrade was not successful. Your previous version of Windows is being restored. Alright, I'll try it once again. Maybe I'll do like Home Basic. I will try it again. And if it doesn't work, we might be screwed actually. Alright, so it restarted. We do have a mouse. It's been like 2 hours, bro. I think, wait. Yeah, 2 hours. Bro. Oh yeah, finally. It ask me later. It's not right, but I'll say it's right. I wonder what the desktop will look like. Yeah. Will the taskbar be the same? I don't think so, but we'll see. Please wait while Windows checks your performance. I don't give a shit about my performance right now, bro. Just wanna boot to the desktop so I can finally go to sleep. Oh. Yes. Start logo, no, the logo, I don't know. I'm too tired to think. My brain is not working right. Alright, so we're on Windows Vista Home Basic because Windows Vista Home Premium did not work. But it doesn't matter because I won't be able to use Arrow. First of all, I only have 512 megabytes of RAM. And second, yeah, I just don't have graphic drivers, so it won't work anyways. Oh my gosh. Okay, ask me later. The task that looks so off. Look at that. No, it's stuck that way. So it's getting quite late. In the Internet Archive is saying that Windows 7 will be installed in 4 hours, even though I started it 2.5 hours ago. Yeah. No, so I have to get up early tomorrow, so I think almost 4 a.m. is a good time to go to sleep. Yeah. Alright, so we will just shut it down. Oh, I just switched the user. Bro, I don't know how Windows Vista works. Okay. It's just in sleep mode. Bro, I'm too dumb to turn off a PC. Oh. Oh. Shut down. Alright guys, we're back. It's like 8 a.m. right now. And we will install Windows 7 now. Alright, so I have Windows PC right here. Windows 8 and 10 might make problems. I don't know if we will even get to like Windows 8. Like I said, we will try. I will try multiple shit. But if it doesn't work, it just doesn't work. Alright, no, we won't be able to get the latest updates. So you see Windows 7 Home Basic Service Pack 1. You only need Service Pack 1 upgrade. Oh my god. Yeah, so for Windows 7 you don't need an upgrade copy anymore. Yeah, wait. I have Service Pack 1. Alright, so the ISO I had said that it is Windows Vista Service Pack 1. For some reason it's not. So I guess I will upgrade to Vista Service Pack 1. Alright, so on this USB stick I have Windows Vista Service Pack 1. Welcome to Windows Vista Service Pack 1. Next, I accept the license terms. Install.
Wow, something worked in this video.
Alright, so the installation was successful. We have now Service Pack 1. Now we will install Windows 7, hopefully. Yep, run setup.exe. Of course, man. You're allowed to do anything. Alright, install now. Nope. Yep. Accept the license terms, of course. Upgrades. Yeah, no. Fuck that. Oh, it's upgrading Windows now. Yeah, perfect. So as always, we will be back when it's done doing all that and when we're in the next phase of setup, or if something goes wrong and it will just blue screen like it didn't I don't want to say the name anymore. Alright, so we'll be back in a moment. Alright, so product key. We don't mind product key right now. Next, Windows 7 Home Basic. Are we on the desktop already? Yeah, we are. Alright, oh, the taskbar actually reset it. It's now the normal taskbar. Alright, so I have 3 methods to get Windows 8.1. We're installing Windows 8.1 to work. So the problem we have is that the processor in this laptop is not supported for Windows 8. Yeah, it might make some problems, and it will make problems. But there are ways to skip this. Maybe. So the first method is just to not making bootable USB stick, just putting the files on the USB stick. I mean, I know, yeah, it does make kind of sense if you think about it, because it's not booting from the USB, but I don't think that this will work. Another method is to put up a command prompt and skip the CPU check, which could work. And another method is to go in the registry settings and to make in registry edits to skip the CPU check, which I think might work. I feel like this is the one that could actually work, but we'll see.
So you see, right when I open the setup, it will check the PC and it will say this PC can't run Windows 8.1 because of the processor is too old. It also complains about RAM, but I don't think that this will be like a problem. So I have to make a bootable USB and try the other options.
Alright, so I have a bootable USB now. We will restart our computer. Entering setup, boot, USB. Alright, so we have the Windows 8 logo. Looks a bit off actually, because it is, yeah, and that is what it is doing. It probably will do the same thing. Yeah, like you see. Okay, that won't work. so we won't be able to boot from it. Maybe I ran the boot USB stick from Windows 7. I don't remember. It's been a long time now. I think I tried that like when I bought it, which is long ago. Like the video I did on buying a Windows XP laptop from eBay. I think the video came like 2 months after I bought it. Yeah. Because I know back then I installed it, so it wasn't a setup. I installed it, and after I rebooted, it would give me that message. And yeah, like if the setup will check my computer, we might be screwed. Yeah, checking your PC. Fuck. And it's gonna come up with Windows 8.1 can run on your PC. Yup. So we're back, and now I'm just copying the files over to the hard disk, because that's what some people said might work. Actually, I installed Windows 8.0. Because I think back then I got to this setup in Windows 8.0. I don't know if I did Windows 8.1 or Windows 8.0. I think 8.0. So we will try that, because when I'm in the setup, I think I can do these registry setting things and or command prompt stuff. So that might work. I'm also checking. Some people said to delete a file in the sources folder, but it wasn't there on the ISO I had on Windows 8.1, which was an original ISO, by the way. Maybe they just removed that file in Windows 8.1 and did something different. Yeah, I guess I'll try this, since this is a copy of Windows 8.0. Alright, so we will be back when this is finished. Alright, it's done now. So let's first look at the sources. Yeah, no, the file is not in here. Let's just click on setup. No. Please not. Wait, what? It's only complaining about RAM. Wait, what? No, like that. Wait, so this might be the fix. Because it actually did not say like the processor is not supported. But as you can see, we don't have enough RAM. So that is interesting. If we want to skip that, we need to boot from a USB stick. But the processor is not supported. If we boot from a USB stick, we actually can't boot from a USB stick. That is not cool. I mean, should I try once again to make a bootable USB? Alright, I'll do it. We'll be back in a moment. I still have hope. Yep, we're cool. we are actually back. Why? Because I have some more solutions from ChatGPT. I don't know why I asked ChatGPT. So it's 4 a.m. right now, I think. Yeah, 4:13. We're gonna try some new shit. Maybe set up resume. Well, that's just gonna. Just gonna come up with the same thing. But I can't do this anymore. I can't do this anymore. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. No way. No way. So this should work for some reason. I don't know if it really works. It's just using the installer from the sources folder. Said it was starting. Wait. You see this? Oh my gosh. Please. Oh my gosh. Actually, I'm a bit scared. Oh my gosh, I know that this won't work. If it restarts, it probably will fail to start again. But we'll see. Alright, so I just slept for like 4 hours. Yes, and once again, we're cooked.